Namaskarams. Hello and welcome to Raga. I dedicate today's episode to the brave soldiers, the martyrs who lost their lives protecting our nation in eastern Ladakh. Their supreme sacrifices will never be forgotten. Today's Raga is a divine Raga that ushers in rain when sung. The moods associated with it are joy, exuberance, appeal, and passionate exultation.
हरादि पूजिते शिवे भवानी आनंद कर्षिणी अमृत वर्षिणी.
That was Dr. Balamurali Krishna singing Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's Ananda Amrita Karshini Amrita Varshini in the Raga Amrita Varshini. The Raga derives its name from the two words Amrit and Varshini, meaning the one which showers Amrit or the elixir of immortality. Muthuswami Dikshitar, one of the musical trinity of Carnatic music, once visited the village of Ettayapuram in the district of Toothukudi in Tamil Nadu when the region was suffering owing to a drought. He looked up the skies and sang in praise of the goddess Devi in the raga Amrita Varshini. The moment he uttered the words Salilam Varshaya Varshaya, the song has the closing lines as Salilam Varshaya Varshaya, meaning let there be a flood of rain. There was a heavy downpour and the place was flooded. Such is the power of the raga Amrita Varshini. Even today, musicians sing in the raga to invoke the rain god. Ravana invoked rain by playing Amrita Varshini Ragam with his veena when Hanuman set fire to Lanka. Ragas are certainly powerful and their vibrations transcend the comprehension of the human mind. With the COVID pandemic peaking everywhere, this is the raga we need now to cleanse all our fears and to bring joy. Let's hear Sri Ramachandran Anna's Amrita Varshini.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Raga series. This week we are presenting a rare raga, Amritavarshini. Amritavarshini is considered as a Janya raga of 66th Malakarta raga, Chitrambari. Even though the same swaras of this Amritavarshini are coming in the ragas, Kalyani, Kamavardhini, Gamanasrama, it is generally accepted as a Janya raga of 66th Malakarta raga Chitrambari. As I said, this is a very rare raga. This is an Audava raga, very powerful raga. This raga was invented by great legend Vagayakara Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar. Muthuswami Dikshidhar has composed two famous kridis in this raga. One is Ananda Amrita Karshini. Another kriti is Sarasijasani. It was learned that Tyagaraja Swamigal has composed a kriti in this raga, Sarasiruha Nayane. But it is not 100% sure that Tyagaraja Swamigal has himself composed this kriti is in this raga. Dandapani Deshikar has composed a kriti in this raga, Enne Ni Maravenu. Then Muttaya Bhagavatar has composed a very famous kriti, Sudha Mayi. There is an Annamaya kriti which is composed in this raga, but about Annamaya kritis, most of the kritis were composed by the successors after writing these kritis, because Annamaya was living in the previous century and Muthuswami Dikshidhar was living in the 17th century. So the raga was created by Muthuswami Dikshidhar. So the kriti of Annamaya cannot be composed by Annamaya in this raga. So later on, some other persons would have composed the kriti in this raga. The kriti is Annimantra Buli.
విభీషణుడు చేకొనే రామ మంత్రము వేరే నాకు గలిగే వెంకటేశు మంత్రము వేరే నాకు గలిగే వెంకటేశు మంత్రము అన్ని మంత్రములు ఇందే ఆవహించెను.
These are the very famous kritis in this raga. Very limited number of kritis only in this raga in Carnatic music. About film songs. In Tamil film, the very famous song is Thoongada Vidigal Rendu, which is in the movie Agni Nakshatram, sung by Yeshudas and Janaki. There are few Malayalam movie songs in this raga. The first one is Adi Parashakti, which is in the movie Ponnapuram Kota. The movie was taken in 1973. Song was composed by Devarajan sir in Raga Maliga, and the Pallavi is in this raga Amritavarshini. Main singer is Yeshudas.
Adi Parashakti Amritavarshini Anugrahittu Devi.
ഒരു ദളം മാത്രം, which is in the movie Jalagam, year 1987. Music director M.G. Radhakrishnan. Sung by Sri Yeshudas.
നിന്നു ഒരു ദലം മാത്രം വിടർന്നൊരു ചെമ്പനി മുകുളമായി നീ എൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ നിന്നു.
Then Ashadam, which is in the movie Mala, year 2000. Music composer Sri Ravindran sir, sung by Sri Yeshudas and Chitra.
വെള്ളാരം മുത്തും കൊണ്ടാകാശം പ്രേമത്തിൻ കൈക്കുമ്പിൽ നീട്ടുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലും മൃദംഗമോ ആഷാഢം പാടുമ്പോൾ ആത്മാവിൻ രാഗങ്ങൾ ആനന്ദ.
Then Sharatkala Megham, which is in the movie Dhruva Sangamam, year 1981, sung by Yeshudas, music director Ravindran.
ശരത്കാല മേഘം മൂടിമയങ്ങും മധുചന്ദ്ര കിരണങ്ങൾ പോലെ.
Then Manam Ponmanam, in the movie Idavelaku Shesham, year 1984, music director Ravindran, sung by Sri Yeshudas.
ഒഴുകി വരൂ മാനം പൊന്മാനം കടിചൂടുന്നു മോഹം എൻ മോഹം കളിചൂടുന്നു.
These are the film songs in this raga. Raga Amritavarshini, very pleasant raga, very powerful raga. We can enjoy very well. Thank you very much. Namaskaram.
Lovely, Anna. Thank you so much. There aren't too many songs in this raga in Tamil film music, but let's go check them out. In 1973, the mythological movie Ganga Gauri, directed and produced by Sri B.R. Pantulu. The leading actors were Gemini Ganeshan as Lord Shiva, Jayalalita as Ganga, and the Kannada actress Jayanti as Dakshayani, Gauri. I read a very interesting story about the makings of the movie. In 1973, Jayalalita was around 25 years old, and she was extremely independent and bold even then. Earlier in 1973, she had said in an interview to the Vigadan magazine, Ananda Vigadan, that though she was born in Karnataka and was fluent in Kannada, she was very much a Tamilian, and the comments did not go well with the Kannadigas. The director Pantulu wanted to shoot the movie in Mysore, for it would lower his costs, his production costs. When the Kannada activists came to know about this, they barged into the studio with sticks and arms to attack Jayalalitha. But you know, she stood her ground and shouted out, "I am a Tamil girl, not a Kannada girl." Now you know why she is called the Iron Lady. Okay, about the movie, music by M.S. Vishwanathan, Janaki Amma sings to Kannadasan's lyrics, Adagiya Megangal Vanathil Tirala. Let us look at the lyrics. Madargal Aramum, Mannargal Nalamum, Udavargal Valamum Unnale, Puvirichole Kaikani Malara, Nirana Varuvai Munnale. So much about the power of rains. Everything that can happen here is connected to rains. Amritavarshini. In 1975, the movie Pattum Bharadamum, leading roles by Shivaji Ganeshan, Jayalalitha and Sri Priya. Music composed by M.S. Vishwanathan, directed and produced by P. Madhavan. About P. Madhavan, his notable films included Deivattai, Vietnam Veedu, Thangappadakam, Kanne Papa, Kudandaikkaga, all big movies. He was also the first chairman and managing director of the MGR Film City and the State Film Development Corporation. He has also served as chairman of the National Film Awards. T.M. Soundararajan and P. Sushila sing Sivagami Adavandal. It's like listening to a proper Carnatic kacheri strong classical flavor. In 1988, Mani Ratnam's Agni Nakshatram. I simply don't remember the number of times I watched the movie for P.C. Sriram's photography and specifically Janagaraj and V.K. Ramaswamy's comedy. You know, the Tangamani, Pondati Uruk Poita, that comedy was absolutely rocking. It was the best. The film was a blockbuster hit. P.C. Sriram was a master of light. In Agni Nakshatram, P.C. Sriram used a lightning technique that burned the edges out. It is done through the overexposure of highlights. You can watch it in the song, where you can see the highlights are blown out and it gives you a very fuzzy effect. This created a halo effect and lent a very special look to the imagery. He also softened the image using filters, and the end result was that of a dreamy look that was shocking and spectacular at the same time. This kind of lighting technique is not part of classical cinematography and used in, I would say, product advertising. It is not used much in classical narrative fiction. With the work in Agni Nakshatram, P.C. Sriram became a youth icon and almost single-handedly brought about a new culture of stardom for cinematographers in Tamil cinema. About the raga Amritavarshini, the song in the movie written by Vali, Thoongada Vidigal, it's a massive hit. This song is Isaiyani's best to date in this raga. Let me play you 3 parts of this song to appreciate the blend of the classical raga with new age instruments. Let's look at the lines here. Mamara ilai mele margadi panipole பூமகள் மடிமீது நான் தூங்கவோ ராத்திரி பகலாக ஒருபோதும் விலகாமல் ராஜனை கையேந்தி தாளாட்டவோ அண்ட் செம்பூ மஞ்சம் விரித்தாலும் பன்னீரை தெளித்தாலும் ஆனந்தம் எனக்கேது அன்பே நீ இல்லாது. Lovely lines. It is said that the day Ilayaraja recorded this song, it rained.
மாமர இலை மேலே மார்கழி பனி போலே பூமகள் மடி மீது நான் தூங்கவோ.
In 2006, the movie Sasanam, the film began production in mid-1990s but was only released in 2006. It was directed by Mahendran. During production, the film's budget became overrun, so much so that Mahendran had to approach the National Film Development Corporation, the NFDC, to take over the financing of the film in 2000. To avoid the film being delayed further, the lead actor Arvind Swamy opted against receiving any salary for the film. All 3 of the lead actors, Arvind Swamy, Gautami and Ranjita, were retired at the time of the release of this movie. Mahendran is regarded as one of the greatest filmmakers of Tamil cinema and has influenced several filmmakers of the generations that followed. Mahendran is one of the most sensitive filmmakers in Tamil cinema. His award-winning films like Udiri Pookal, Nenjathai Killade, Mullum Malarum, they are all still appreciated for their subtle handling of strong emotions. This lovely song, Pudhiya Kalai Unadu Vaalvil, music composed by Balabharati and sung by Chitra.
புதிய காலை உனது வாழ்வில் விடுகிறதே இனிய பொழுதில் நெடிய பயணம் தொடர்கிறதே.
In 1990, the movie Malluvetti Minor. This movie was directed by Manobala. Manobala, besides being a film director and a producer, is also a great comedian actor and my absolute favorite in recent movies. Manobala started his career in Tamil movie industry in the early 70s and with Kamal Haasan putting in a good word. he became an assistant director with Bharati Raja for his Pudiya Varpugal movie. Satyaraj plays the lead in the movie. The song Kathirindha Malli Malli. This is also my favorite Ilayaraja song in Amrita Varshini, sung by P. Sushila.
காத்திருந்த மல்லி மல்லி பூத்திருக்கு சொல்லி சொல்லி புதுசா தினமும் புதுசா காத்திருந்த வள்ளி வள்ளி சேர்த்தெடுத்து.
The best one for the last. 1985. In the movie Sri Raghavendra, Rajinikanth plays the role of the saint Raghavendra Swami. It was Rajini's 100th movie. Directed by S.P. Muthuraman, produced by K. Balachandar's Kavidalaya production. Just look at Vali's lyrics. மழைக்குரு தேவனே வருணனே வருகவே மண்ணிசை தன்புனல் மாரியை பொழியவே அழைக்கிறேன் நின்னொரு அடிமலர் போற்றியே அனல் வசப்பட்டதோ ஆறுயிர் பிழைக்கவே மாரியே வருக மழையே வருக தீயினை அணைத்து திருவருள் புரிக. With these lines, Raghavendra Swami prays to the rain god to quench the fire.
மழைக்கொரு தேவனே வருணனே வருகவே மண்மிசை தன்புனல் மாரியை பொழிகவே அழைக்கிறேன் நின்னிரு அடிமலர் போற்றியே அனல் வசப்பட்டதோ ஆறுயிர் பிழைக்கவே மாரியே வருக மழையே வருக தீனை அணைத்து திருவருள் புரிக.
And finally, there is just this piece from the acclaimed Prasanna's movie, Kalyana Samayal Sadam. The Pallavi of the song Mella Sirita is based on Amrita Varshini Ragam. I'm not playing it because of copyright issues, but you may want to check it out. In Raga therapy, Amrita Varshini is called Ushna Vyadi Nasini. The Raga which alleviates diseases relating to heat or Pitta dosha. Stay safe and see you in the next episode of Raga.